Hello all my friends, thanks for coming to my channel. Let's start red velvet cake with a very easy way. It will not take 5 minutes and you have amazing red velvet. Let's start 400 gram flour, 400 gram sugar, 160 milligram of buttermilk, 95 gram of espresso, 4 gram red color powder, and if you have intensive color will be much better. 8 gram of cacao. Let's start. Here sugar, flour, all dry item. We start always all dry item. We mix together and then we start with the liquid one. It's very simple recipe. This espresso 95 milli. So if you have machine or American coffee machine, but I prefer an espresso, is very strong aroma, really nice. Then baking powder and baking soda. We have 160 gram melted butter. Now we mix baking powder, baking soda, cacao with the flour, red color also. So all powder together we mix. And here in the pan, 4 eggs, 160 gram melted butter, and 400 gram sugar. 400 sugar, 160 melted butter, and 4 eggs. As you see in your hand, it doesn't make this amount make cake ring 24 centimeter plus maybe 6 cupcake. So it's a very nice recipe. You can do it a la minute. You don't need much time and the cake will be ready and taste really fantastic. The aroma with milk, buttermilk is very nice. Now when we mix very well, I added buttermilk. Make sure that all ingredients emulsify. Finally, I put the Nescafe or Nespresso or espresso, whatever flavor you like. Be sure that all dry ingredients you must strain, because sometimes the cacao makes some lumps when you make the cake or sponge, and it's not come like sand inside the cake, which is no good. So I prefer to strain all the dry ingredients with a strainer like this, very small, very thin. Then you have all ingredients. As you see, the red color already with liquid becomes red. Last thing we added is the vinegar. 20 gram of white vinegar. That keeps strong the color. Also, it's make very mild taste. As you see, 24 centimeter cakes. And the rest, I make 4 cupcake. I have my cake ready. I prepare the oven 180 degree. It takes almost 45 to 50 minutes, depending about your oven. Now, cupcake, it makes 6 cupcake and 1 cake ring, 24 centimeter. As you see, it's fantastic. Exactly, this cake take 45 centimeter. I hope you enjoy my channel, and please make comment, and if you need to know any cakes, just write it down, and don't forget to subscribe and activate the ring so we will send you all the news. Thanks again for visiting my channel. All the best for you. Ahmed, Younes, have a good day. Bye.